Dave is Dave with the Purple Bookshelf, and today we're going to talk about our Firearm Manual DVD. This is our second most popular DVD, and what I did is I went online and I got a couple hundred different manufacturers' manuals on PDF. Then I got a bunch of military weapon manuals. I've put in a lot of the PowerPoints that I use to teach my classes, and so, if you're looking for a basic firearm training PowerPoint, to teach a class or just to learn yourself, that's on there. Put a lot of the more popular gun videos that you see. You want to see that DEA agent shoot himself and have a copy of that video. That sort of stuff's on there. Then I've got a whole lot of targets. Just this is the one thing that it didn't sort through. It's got hundreds of different PDF targets that you can print off. If you want to go shoot pictures of groundhogs or Osama bin Laden or different kinds of military type targets, that's on there. Then I've got a bunch of schematics and blueprints. If you've got AutoCAD, or CNC machine, I've got a bunch of zip files for blueprints for things like AR-15 loaders or different kinds of guns to manufacture. If you have that ability and those tools, those are zip files. Everything else is pretty much either PowerPoints, movie files, or PDFs. And so there's a lot of information on here. Got a lot of patents coming out of the Library of Congress, a bunch of patents, a lot of stuff on suppressors and those sorts of things. And so lot of information on this disc. It's really good to have as a reference. And I appreciate you listening. And until next time, you can always get us online, www.purplebookshelf.com.